Hey guys, this is Snow in Alberta. Do you like my little title screen? So we just had a snowstorm overnight and it left a ton of snow, 15 centimeters to be exact. For all you Americans watching, that's 6 inches approximately. So here I'm gonna go and show you. This is just outside our house right here. Boom! Okay, this is just little snow banks. It's from shoveling, but look at it all. Okay, I'm being careful not to show any addresses or license plates here, but our driveway and the snowbanks beside it. And it is snowing right now, and it's making my hands freaking cold. Oh, by the way, look at what I'm wearing. My little Canadiens hat. Don't you just love the Canadiens? That is it, and we're going to a cold snap tomorrow. It'll be minus 35 Celsius Tuesday morning. To put it in straight words, that says not. This is like. And this is Alberta. I do not like Alberta. Yeah, okay, give you one last look at our ugly weather. Alright, that's all. See ya.